What's the deal, YouTube? What is the word? What's the word? What's good with y'all, man? How y'all feeling today? It's your boy, How Yourself. I'm back with another one, man. Um, Today, I don't know if I'm gonna start this a new series, but we're gonna be trading futures today. Trading with our Topstep evaluation account, trying to get funded with that 50K account. I may name this a whole new series, but understand that this is still a part of the road to 100K. So basically, we just continuing that. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. You feel me? Definitely had like a lot going on yesterday. As in terms of just moving away from the crowd type shit. Just being my own man, becoming my own man. So I had to stand on a lot of truth yesterday. Got me feeling a little depleted on the energy, but at the same time, though, man, we here, so I'm putting a lot of energy into my business, to my YouTube account. Yeah, you feel me? We gonna be focusing our energy and our fire, putting our fire into something that means better, that can help the world and impact the world. So I'm just working on myself fully today. Gonna be educating myself. Even if after I'm done trading, we gonna be uh, studying a lot of certain information. That's kind of personal, but at the same time, I'm gonna share it with y'all and let y'all know what's going on. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be. So it's around 6:29 right now. I did wake up at 6, but I'm low key incorporating like a new schedule a little. You feel me? I don't just get straight onto the charts. Wake up. The first thing I do is always pray, and then the second thing I do now is meditate. Try to give myself 10, 15 minutes of just meditation, clear my mind, not thinking nothing, and then that's where some of my best ideas come from, and that real guidance. And then yeah, so that's what we do every morning now. And then right before we go to sleep, we get like another 10, 15 minutes in of meditation. So if you can't get yourself 30 minutes or at least 10, 5 minutes, if you can't get yourself some time throughout the day to weather through your emotions and talk to yourself, man, it's a problem with that, man. Because we give our time to everything else. We go work our 9 to 5s. We be on the games. What else? Man, we get time to women. If you can't get yourself 30 minutes throughout the day to talk to yourself, bro, and like be truthful with yourself or what you got going on in your situations, it's a problem with that. So you need to look in the mirror and understand that you should be at least giving yourself 30 minutes a day. It really need to be more, but we all got to start somewhere. At least 30 minutes of the day to just to really just weather through your emotions, man. Understand that you're just having a temporary human experience right now. So you in the flesh having a temporary experience. With all that being said, though, we finna hop over to the charts right now. We trading futures again today, so I gotta I gotta see what's going on with like the ticker symbols and stuff, because I do know it's a little different. And sometimes it's that rollback month too, so I gotta see the ticker symbol that I need to be able to trade futures today and execute the trade. So that being said, though, we finna hop to the charts right now. All right, so yeah, we on the we are on TraderVate, Top Step TraderVate platform. Let me just do this real quick. I'm gonna probably check. Let me check news first, actually. Um, so yeah, let me see what's going on for real. What's today? The 5th. So we got news at 7:15. I'm gonna have to go to this, and I'm at, oh shit, that's investing.com. Okay, hold on, y'all. Sorry, wasn't as prepared as I thought. I'm gonna go to Trading View. Um, I gotta find the right ticker symbol. It would be this. Would it be? I don't know. It had to probably be this maybe, but I don't really think it is this though. But so since I'm looking for gold and shit, this what I'm gonna just do. I'm gonna just go to. I'm gonna make sure I got everything right on my top down. So I'm gonna just go to like the crypto. I'm talking about the crypto. Just go like to the indices side of this real quick. Just go to where we've been looking at it on XAU USD. It's looking kind of the same. It's looking kind of the same. So with that being said, I'm gonna actually go back to what I was doing. Mm. Yeah, it's looking kind of the same. Y'all hear the birdies? Them my boys know. I really love the birds, man. It's my fucking boys. So, yeah, all right. So let's just get this top down in, man. Few minutes. Waste no more time. Waste no more time. So I come to the 4 hour. And let's just take this off. Um, as I come to the 4 hour, I see we've been bullish. Higher highs, higher highs. It's looking like we really want to flip bears, but I do see this gap right here. So with all this support right there, we took, well, we ain't take liquidity. We took liquidity right here. So this is the 4 hour. So this is liquidity. Got took right there. Mark it off for whoever don't know what I'm talking about real quick. So boom, liquidity right there got swiped. This is all on the 4 hour too, mind y'all. Then we got liquidity under here. So, but look how we bouncing out this 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So I'm bullish, man. I got a bullish mindset. I'm looking at this gap right here too. That's attached to the 4 hour. So I would expect price to get up here throughout the day for real. Uh, let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Um, and let me just throw this on. Okay, so that's where we at. But other than that, though, we've been we've been bullish on the 1 hour. Higher highs, higher highs. Okay, it made a little low right there, but it still didn't pass this low, so that's okay. Higher high. All right, it's around the same level. Made another little low, but it's playing off the support layer area. So it's playing off the support. Look at it. Look at that. So it's playing off support for real. If you really want to be honest, you can take that off though. So yeah, I'm seeing higher highs being made. This wick, these wicks. It's been wicking over here too, but that's too far back though. Too at the same time, we just looking at what price has been doing and the direction price has been going. So is this the 15? Yeah, this the 15. Still bullish on the 15. Yeah, we bullish on the 15. Break a structure, break a structure. Bullish on the 15 as well. Now we just turn this back on. We set that like that, and let's go look at news again. So we got news at 7:15. 7:15, boom. We got news at 8:45. Yeah, 8:45. Got that right there. You know we got news. I mean, the New York Exchange opened at 8:30, so let's mark that off as well. Got to be aware of that. And then we got news at 9. And news for me, like I said the other day, is what the fuck? Yeah, news for me. I'm an hour. I'm an hour behind when it comes to the New York. When it comes to the Eastern Standard Time. So I'm an hour behind on the Eastern Standard Time. So I'm always, although it says 10 right here for me where I'm at, it's 9 o'clock a.m. So kind of, I'm bullish, man. So we really just gonna be waiting for a setup to present itself. Um, okay. Yeah, I do expect price to then get up here somewhere to touch this gap. They don't have to though, but that's what I'm expecting for real. Off looking at this 4 hour. Um, hold on, is there any gaps below on the 4 hour? Nope. So yeah, I would expect that we attack this area right here. Starting off this 200 EMA. It's been cutting through, playing support and resistance. You feel me? Turning to support, turning to resistance, and it's mostly been support though. So I'm confident in buys. Let's go to this real quick and we can refresh it. Investing.com if you don't know. Friend just put me on. It says neutral right now. Moving averages say sell. Technical indicators say buy. So all that means is anything can happen for real, which is cutting through the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So I believe that too. Anything can really happen because we got 2 hours on this candle. This shit could easily flip bearish, you know. So we just got to be patient. We gonna see what the market does. That way, we can get in on we can get in on the right side on the right side of the move. So yeah, now we just playing a patient game, man. We just gonna see what the market do. And but I do got my bullish type biasness. I do have a bullish bias, but at the same time though, that could change throughout the day because we can start breaking these lows, getting strong closes under these lows, and I could be like, oh shit, we done not we bearish. Although we broke um some structure right here, we broke some structure right here. But look at them wicks and shit too though, and it's been working. Let me look at the 15 real quick actually. See the 15 to tell a cleaner story. See, this not in my session though. I can't forward, and this was at my session. So yeah, we may can flip bearish though at the same time. So that's why it's really not good to have a bias, a bullish bearish bias. But cause you gotta be flexible with the markets, man. The markets can do anything. So with that being said, I'm gonna get to y'all when the setup present itself, and then we'll take it from there. Damn, my head been out the camera the whole time. It's crazy. Hopefully it don't look bad. But yeah, when the setup present itself, man, we'll take it from now, and we'll be ready to execute and follow our rules. We gonna do one contract, 1-on-1. It's futures. We are trying to get funded, so we gonna be super, super disciplined. We're not gonna put our edge in this. We're just gonna actually trade just like Doyle, man. Um, and I know he don't go for a 1-on-1 all the time, but for this specific series, we gonna be going 1-on-1, one contract, 1-on-1 strictly. So yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when I see if I see a setup in the market during my time session, during my trading session, and then we'll execute. Then we'll go over the trade we took, and we'll call it a day. Okay, so I'm noticing that this is just news right here. It just started wicking up, and then I'm thinking we's gonna have a liquidity graph forming. But it started retracting and retracing. So I'm noticing that we're low key in the range, and I want to before I take any trades, I want to see which way we're gonna break out to get out of this range. We trading a funded account. Well, it's not even funded yet, but we doing like an evaluation test. So I'm trying to get into the best move possible. I'm not um worried about FOMO or anything. So you feel me? If we do miss out and we don't trade, that's okay today. But I want to see like if we gonna break down to the downside and get some closes under here. If we gonna really break up to the upside outside of this range that we've been in, man. We've been in the range right now. So I'm not trading any ranges and shit like that. But depending on what type of close we get right here, we may be bullish, I want to say. But at the same time, just want to see. Hold on. Oh yeah, y'all. We had a 1 hour supply as well up here. Actually, there's one right there. Shit, we had a 1 hour supply right now. I didn't even see this. Yeah, so we actually had a 1 hour supply right now, and then at the 10. So at 10 we'll be done trading. So let's go back to this 5 minute. Can we scale that down? Or let's go to the 15 first. We can scale this down to the 15. We can scale it down to the 15. Um, Old price action though, so I'm not really feeling confident with this. This is not high probability either on the 15, so I'm going to delete that. This is okay because it's that aggressive selling, that seller's momentum that's coming in right there. This is okay. So this is kind of high probability. I don't nah can't even say it's high probability because we haven't broken any structure. We didn't break these candles, didn't break this structure. So take this shit off too. Take all that off actually. I see it though. I understand, and I understand that it can maybe hit. But yeah, we just want to see what type of closes we gonna get. Let's look at this 15 one more time. Now, if we get a close out of this range, I'll be confident in having my buyer's mindset and having my buyers. It's looking like it's starting to wick, so it's gonna be patient, bro. And then we just gonna see what the market do. Um, I just had to come back and show y'all that, you feel me? Because I peeped something like, oh shit, we've been in the range. Let's uh, let's see where the move's really gonna go. Let's see where the wave is really going. So I had to let motherfuckers know that if y'all don't know what a range is, it's just when price is in between a certain area and it hasn't broken through yet. Even like this wick, we didn't get no closes and stuff, so this would still be considered we in the range. Now if we get a close right here with this wick, then I'll be like, okay, we broke out of the range, and now the move is being shown what price may want to go, because this is a breaker structure right here still. Let's not forget that this is a breaker structure to the upside, and even right here we got a breaker structure to the downside for real, but I don't want to actually. Nah, this is like a minor breaker structure right there. This is a minor breaker structure to the downside. It's not powerful enough though. Now, if these candles would have got below these, then it would be okay. This is like a low key a major break structure to the downside. But other than that though, that's really all I gotta say on that. Let's just see how this candle close real quick. Actually, probably right here. Boom. So we got to close outside of this zone. I mean, outside of this range. So I do believe we may be bearish for the day for real. But we still got about an hour 30 on this candle. So let's just see if it break this. It may want to close up on this a little. But I want to look at the 1 hour too. Okay, we got a break on the 1 hour. But this is support. If you traded support and resistance, you would have done that. Look, I'm gonna delete that real quick. You trade support and resistance, bro. You will be getting in like right here. Delete this real quick. You trade support and resistance, man. Get this break of the candle. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wick touches. If I was a trader, if I was a support and resistance as my primary setup trader, I'll be getting in around this area maybe. But at the same time, I wouldn't though because look, we at the supply zone on the 1 hour. We got a supply zone on the 1 hour, so I would just play it smooth for real. So yeah, y'all man. Let's just see how these next few candles close for real, honestly. Because now that resistance, is this resistance? Yeah, that's not looking valid no more. This resistance not looking valid no more. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna just keep this little zone marked off for right now. And but yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we gotta set up that presented stuff, and then it's time to execute. All right, so we do got this demand zone that's right here. Damn, I would have liked for some more momentum to came up out of this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But let's just see if it hold. Yeah, I would have definitely liked for some more momentum to come up out of here. But this is a setup though, so setup with the gap. Definitely would have liked for another, at least another big bullish candle to come through and shit. But at the same time though, I see the setup, so we'll be ready to take it if it give us a tap on the if it taps the zone and starts rejecting or whatever. But yeah, you feel me? This is that 5 minute setup. We got a break of structure right here. We broke out of the zone. Let me just make my charts a little clearer though too, bro. I really would like to keep this right there, but this can go too. Let me just make my okay. So we still got a mini gap. Yeah, I want to definitely see another bullish candle though, bro. I want to see some more bullish momentum coming in. Then they coming back to my zone. So but yeah, though. Um, yeah. So that's what we got going on right now. That's what we got going on right now. Peace and love, nigga. Feeling excelente. Oh, let me feeling real good today, man. I am feeling great. Feeling great like every other day. Talking about every other day, like every day. Feel great. Every day is a great day. Feel me? Every day is special in its own way. So, yeah, if we get a touch and then a break of the candle entry, we fuck around, may hop into this one. I would like to see some more bullish candles. So if this zone don't hold, I wouldn't even be mad at that because I want to see some more bullish candles. But if it do end up holding, I'm gonna still take it. That's no cap. Bro, it do got the gap though. It still got a little gap right there, so that's not bad. It's a small gap. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I know what I'm looking for and I know what I'm looking at. If you want to learn how to trade supply and demand, How I'm trading it right now. Type in Doyle Exchange on YouTube. You can go grab his Discord. You got a course, or you can just hop into the Discord and watch the live webinars, bro. Simple. That's how I learned how to trade, Brody. So yeah, I'm more confident in this now. So if it get back to my zone, I'm way more confident in this. Yeah, so if it get back to the zone though, bro, we gonna be prepared to execute. So 7:45, got news in about 45 minutes. I mean, the New York Open in about 45 minutes. So I would like for this to do at least this to get back to the zone in the next 15, if not, right now type shit. But we not rushing to hop into anything, bro. I may take a little nap. I think I'm operating on like 4 hours of sleep. So hopefully we can get into a nice trade today, man. Get a win actually. Definitely looking for a win to start this. I slightly had took like a little miniature trade on this bitch already just to make sure I was on the right ticker symbol. Excuse me. So we kind of down already. We kind of down like $75 on this, but that's all right. We'll make it back. Excuse me. And remember, man, we only going 1-on-ones, one contract, 1-on-1. So I'm trying to be like, keep our emotions out of it as much as possible. I mean, at the end of the day, it is play money, but nigga, I'm trying to get funded this time, man. I didn't. The beginning of the year, I was trying to get funded with the Forex prop firms and shit like that. Then a lot of the BS had started happening with the Forex community, as in terms of brokers doing shady things, prop firms doing not good business for real, and they unregulated too. So like it wasn't just safe, and beginning of the year I was trying to get funded. I think I wasted like 3 months on that, so I wasted a lot of money on that too. At least I want to say about $1,500, but it was probably around like three. It's probably around like 1,200, 1,000, maybe. You feel me? But that could have been $1,000 in my personal account type shit. So y'all know how that go. But so that's why we looking to attack this with a clearer mindset. Cause I even around the time what the BS stuff was happening with Forex, I instantly taught myself the futures kit. So I just taught myself futures this year around like March maybe. Taught myself that it's the same shit. I just had to learn the terminology. And then I attacked trying to get funded with Topstep. I think like 2-3 times before, previous to this. Didn't go too well. It wasn't too bad though, but I wasn't in the mindset of trading around that time. I wasn't disciplined. I was around the time where I was down that little rabbit hole of trying to speed things up. So I took time away from just the prop firms in general. Started building my own personal account. Started off real good. Started off great actually, man. I started off so great, y'all. Can't even cap. Then I had a bad day, one bad day, and I had a couple bad days actually. Let me not say that. Had a couple bad days. Even when I was getting the profits, I started out like I wasn't necessarily following my rules. So you know, it's only so long you can go until you stop following your rules and shit start going bad on you. So that's what had happened. Shit started going bad on me because I wasn't really following my rules completely every day. Like I was over leveraging on certain setups and they was winning. And then you get a little, I don't even want to say big headed, but like you start getting a little overly confident in the setups that you're taking, and understand it. You gotta understand that losses is inevitable, so they will come. And I just went down. I went through a downward spiral of just over trading, over leveraging. This is around the time I was just trading my personal account, and this was maybe a little before April. So got it up around like $700 to like $700, and then blew all that shit in a couple of days. Like tapped it, like all the profits, all the profits I made, like just blew that shit in a couple of days. So I think it took me about like I want to say like a week and a half, 2 weeks to get it up that amount. But I'm like, damn, I'm tripping, bro. So you feel me? That actually centered me down and made me realize that I'm doing things the wrong way. I'm still trying to speed things up. So slowing down. I'm in I don't care how long it take type mindset frame now. Now with my personal account, I'm trying to make $30 every day. I'm gonna risk $30 every day, even if I ain't got a lot of money in my account. I don't really trust the Forex side of this shit no more. It's not really regulated. It's not regulated at all. So I don't keep a lot of money in there. I just keep enough to be able to trade and make some type of profit so I can withdraw and put it into my TradeAvate account. So like Forex, when I'm trading Forex, that's like my money printer type. It's like me being my own bank and printing my own money. Although I know I can lose money and stuff like that too, but that's what like the Forex side of it is for me now. Futures is like the safer where I keep my money. It's regulated, and now I'm striving to get funded with Topstep. So we will complete it this time. Like we will get funded this time for sure, and we will get our first payout. So just had to go through a few things, let a few people go while on that process. That's really what I think it was. God was like, nigga, this shit not gonna fall through if you still have these certain energies around you, these certain negative spirits around you. They not meant to come where you are allowed to go. So I had to break away from the crowd, and putting a lot of energy into that got me like now I'm back off social media. I'm on a social media detox because I just put a lot of energy into social media yesterday, man. Y'all don't really know. So I mean, probably the people that watch my videos locally seen what was going on, but for the most part, I'm locked in now. I'm on a social media detox. No Instagram, no Facebook, um, and we locked in on our business. Anything pertaining to getting some money and leading to like just my inside happiness and joy of what I always seen for myself. That's what I'm on. So that goes for music, that goes for poetry, that goes for just being myself, that goes for YouTube, the content that I'm doing now, and then I'm gonna have a YouTube for my ego. So I make a YouTube for my ego page, my egotistical ways, that just so I can have a balance. And that's still gonna be ran by my higher self more so, but I'm just gonna do that so I can have a balance, and let my ego have a little bit of a voice, just a little, nothing too major, but that's in terms of just like vlogging my lifestyle and stuff like that. So that ego type shit like that. Like if I'm going to the gym hooping, I'm gonna start recording me doing all those type of activities. Especially like and then like the music side of letting me voice myself and letting my creative juices letting my creative ways be seen so that I can help other people. So it's gonna be ran by my higher self, but it's just my ego, it's just my ego that it's going I don't know what I'm trying to say for real, but like yeah. So that's why I'm taking this social media detox right now, and I'm just focused on what I'm focused on, because I just put in a lot of energy into that. It's like having me I'm slightly depleted on my energetic field right now, but at the same time, I had to do I had to break away and I had to do what I had to do to be able to put all my energy into me and not be phony about it. So that goes for family, friends. I just severed a lot of bonds, man. A lot of bonds that I hold dear to my heart. But it had to be done, man, because I want this shit more than other motherfuckers. And I want this shit not just for myself. I want this shit for the motherfuckers that I'm meant to help and help God back home. So, you know, if you on this video, this for you. This for who it's for. You watching this, I don't know, in some way, shape, or form, I can help you because I'm the person that's helping myself. So like I'm putting in a lot of work necessary to help myself. And damn, this bitch is rising. This bitch is rising, man. This bitch is rising. Break a structure. Look, we got major breaks of structure right here. Yeah, so we bullish now, y'all. We are officially bullish in my eyes. We gotta get a close though. We gotta get a nice close. Okay, first off, let me say that. Gotta get a nice close. But yeah, those are breaks of structure right there, man. What type of we got a decent close, y'all. We got a decent close. Breaks of structure right there though, y'all. So let's just see if price respects these levels, and then it may will though because we still got all this liquidity right here. So if it's doing all this now, it may get back to the level. Yeah, it may get up here before it want to start shooting back down. Look at the 1 hour. See, that's why I told y'all if you was a support and resistance, you would have made some bank. I don't know how many pips you would have made. Let me see if I can count these pips. Oh no, this future though, so you would have made 73 points, 73 ticks. So that's decent if you ask me. Let me do that one more time. Yeah, you would have made 75 ticks. I don't know how much that is for real. Because I don't really know how to count out gold. I think it may be $5 per tick, but I know for sure NAS is $5 per tick. So that's how the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour now. We going from the 200 EMA. And then we got the supply right here. So yeah, let's just see what happens at this supply level. We're gonna mark that off. So we got the supply right here, and then remember what I said earlier. I feel like we can be trying to head up to this gap, the gap that's right here, this gap. So um, just delete this so y'all can really see what I'm talking about. So yeah, man. Earlier in the day, earlier in the day, I said that we may be wanting to get to this gap right here, right here. I said that on the 4 hour. So now we approaching the 1 hour supply, and then mixed in with a 4 hour supply too. So if this breaks through, if this 4 hour candle start breaking through or the next one break through, we will be heading to get to this gap, and then it may reject off this box right here, or it may keep going. Who knows? But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Still waiting on the setup to present itself. Well, we got a setup right here with this demand zone, but we still waiting on we waiting on the touch. We waiting to see if it's even gonna get down here, or is it gonna create another high probability demand zone. So that's what we got going on, man. I'm gonna keep recording, and then I'm gonna probably like most likely fast forward through a lot of this shit, just so this video doesn't be as long. I'm gonna try to. How long is this video already? It's been kind of long. If not though, man. If not though, man, I ain't gonna lie. I like my videos uncut, especially like on the way to my wealth. I like my videos uncut because I be talking about certain things that I need to talk about to help myself get certain things off my chest. And then at the same time, this can maybe help somebody in the near future or right now in the current day present. So I'm not cutting my videos. I'm not really fast forwarding through my shit while I'm talking. If I'm not talking, I fast forward through my shit or I cut my shit or somebody interrupt me and we having a conversation like any family members knock on my door and come in. We have a conversation. I cut my shit. But other than that, I'm not cutting my shit. So you feel me? You take it how you take it. These videos is mainly for myself right now, to hold myself accountable. And I just do know that this shit can't help somebody else though. So you feel me? Like just I'm kind of selfish in the way that I'm recording my videos right now on my way to wealth, but that's because I don't have wealth right now. So I'm starting from the bottom now. motherfucker has 6 figures in their account, the videos will for sure be shorter. As in terms of live trade videos, they will be about 10, 12 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. But right now, I got to be able to voice myself, voice how I feel, understand how I feel, and understand how I feel. So that's why my videos be uncut, because I personally watch my videos back after I'm done. I personally do that for my personal self. And I started seeing that because when I was going that downward spiral of trading my profits away throughout the year, earlier through the year, I'm like, man, I know how to trade the right way. Well, I'm not trading the right way. Like, I ain't had nothing to hold myself accountable. So that's why I started putting my content on YouTube and recording these videos, because I'm putting it out there for the public, I'm going to try to do this shit the best way, just not to steer somebody else wrong. So that's why I record these videos for myself, because I do understand that me putting it out there in the public is forcing me to be disciplined. Like, cause I ain't who want to just throw some bullshit out there in the world unless you just don't give a fuck. And I'm a nigga that give a fuck a lot. Actually, that sometimes that I ain't even gonna say that actually, because but we give a fuck a lot. We actually care a lot. You feel me? So that's what we got going on. Hold on, bro. If y'all ever wonder why I'm looking right here, it's my monitor right there. I would like for my monitor to be this way, because I like my hair on my right side a little more, bro. But he said my right side, my best side. If you ask me, I used to watch like certain TV shows and like Disney Channel shows, and motherfucker almost would be like, "No, give my good side," and now I see what they saying a little. Now that I'm a little older, a little grown, and when you look at yourself a little, you just notice you just like what you like a little more than what you don't like. So just notice like the left side of my head, not it don't look like the right side of my head. Even like facial features and shit like that. Like, I don't know. I feel like my right side is my best side. I got my nose piercing on my right side. Y'all haven't seen me with my nose piercing because I only wear my nose piercing when I got a haircut. Simple. I'm not wearing it when I don't have a haircut. I ain't. There's no reason to. So you feel me? I ain't gonna say there's no reason to, because it kind of shit. There's no reason to actually. Like, I ain't gotta have my nose piercing in all the time. You probably didn't even know I had one, but we got a nose piercing. We got a nose piercing, man. So, and I got it on my right side because I'm like, if I get on my left side, I look funny. So like, imagine me with a nose piercing right here on my left side, funny. But now on my right side, man, my nose distinctive as hell. Like I got like a peck for a nose, like a bird peck or something. A bird beak. I got like a bird beak nose. Be feeling like I look like a bird sometimes, man. I don't know how to explain it. But you ever look at yourself and you feel like you look like a certain type of animal? It ain't gotta be identical, but like I didn't see some. Well, maybe I'm talking too much. But no, it's cool. I'm gonna say it. Like I done been around a couple women and shit. I don't know. I just be seeing like the different animals and like the animal features in people. And some people look like I done seen some women look like some cows. I done seen some women look like some birds and shit too. Like, but like, uh, I done seen a lot of. I don't know. I see my eyes see the world a little differently from other people. Of course, I'm seeing a human at the end of the day, but I do be like seeing certain animal characteristics within people too. You feel me? So I feel like sometimes I gotta do with what you eat. 'Cause there's a couple. Shit, even recently at work, I just seen a woman like, of course, she didn't look like a cow. Like, what I'm trying to say, of course, she didn't look like a cow identically, but it was just certain features that she had. And I'm in myself, I'm just thinking, I'm like, yeah, you eat a lot of ground beef, for sure, for sure. Like, you eat a lot of burgers and shit like that. So when they say you are what you eat, I find that very true. I don't eat birds though, so I don't know why the fuck I look like a bird a little. I do feel like I look like a bird, like from this view. Maybe from the side and shit, I look different or whatever. But I do be feeling like I look like a bird though. Is this a liquidity grab? Gotta get some breakfast in, man. This is the breakfast for the day. And then we're gonna go work out after we done trading. Get a nice workout with Bro and my boy Trey. And then I'm attacking the full day. I'm attacking the rest of the day, just fully focused on my YouTube page, trying to make my content a little bit better, editing some videos, um, just anything business related. And then I'm read a couple books today, read a few chapters of Trading in the Zone, study, get back in my Bible and shit like that, study the Word. Um, I'm gonna listen to some Malachi Z. York. So I'm becoming a student of the game again. I never was not a student of the game, but you know how it be when you learn a little bit of information and then and sometimes you run with it, you get a little bit big headed. I was just getting to that phase, not getting too big headed per se, but I'm stopping it before I get there. So I'm more of a student of the game now because I know myself. So I'm stopping myself. I'm stopping my ego. You feel me? From like feeling like he's a know it all. Yeah, more than the next motherfucker. When I probably do a little, but that don't make me better than the next motherfucker. So I'm definitely staying grounded in this shit. I ain't finna get too high when it comes to the way I think type shit. So because when you start to get too high, that's when you start pulling yourself back down. Start falling from grace again. You know everything. So you start moving like you know everything. And that shit could be to your own detriment, your own demise. It can lead to your own demise, your stubbornness. So, I was actually just telling a friend this the other day, or yesterday to be honest. To be honest. But at the point where I'm at now, I don't even feel like that's a friend no more, man. You feel me? I feel like niggas feel like I'm not a friend no more, so they don't want to be my friend type shit. And I'm just the person that stand on truth, man. On God's side when it's all said and done. So if you know me and you think otherwise, then that's on you. I mean, you entitled to your own opinion. And even if you don't know me and you think otherwise, that's on you. You also entitled to your own opinion. So I know myself and I know how I look at the world. And I just look at this shit as symbolism. I don't think this shit is a game. I used to feel like that when I was a kid, like this shit a game. And it kind of is, but if it is a game, this is a real game. This ain't no. You shouldn't be taking this shit lightly. Like if it's a game, it's a game for a reason. It's meant to mold you and shape you into something that you're meant to become. So I don't take this lightly, bro. I don't take life lightly at all. I never did. I always paid attention. You feel me? I always sat back and observed, and I feel like that's the reason I'm able to grow like how I'm growing now. I didn't have some setbacks. Don't get me wrong. I done had a lot of setbacks. Like in my eyes, I'm supposed to be somewhere a little more different. I'm supposed to be out, not in this environment that I'm in now, but it was actually very, very needed for my growth for real. Cause maybe who knows, like I could have started off good on an accelerated path, and then shit just started. Shit just could have crumbled a certain way. So at the rate that I know I'm going right now, I'm definitely long term thinking. I'm moving the right way because I'm standing on truth. So I'm on God's side automatically, just off the simple fact that I'm standing on all my truths and all the truth that's in the world. I'm not saying I know all the truth, but I know more than enough to not have a boxed in mindset and to know that this shit isn't a game. Like everything, like we being tested right now, spiritually, mentally, and physically. Everybody's being tested, so it's up to you what you want to do with your test. I'm gonna pass mine though. I'm actually gonna ace the fuck out my test, a plus plus type kid. You feel me? So that's that. You feel me? That's that. So let's just see if it get back down to our zone, bro. And then from this point on, we gonna actually fast forward a little. So it's orange, good as hell. It's been so like tasteful and rehydrating. It's crazy. Damn, this look good for sales actually. I don't know though. These wicks is crazy. I don't know. It's probably trying to keep motherfuckers in. I mean, get motherfuckers in right now, but do look okay for sales, and this is a 1 hour supply. But yeah, that wick is too crazy though for me. Too crazy. Look at it. I think it's trying to get buyers in though. I mean, sellers in. All the big sellers in. So we gonna see. This is a news candle. I'm not gonna trade. Be very disciplined, man. Let's see if our setup can play out. Our primary setup. I think it may hold though. Fresh 15 candle. It basically just faked out. It may not hold. Who knows? But all I know is I'm only taking this demand setup for real. I'm not taking no sales. You go look at this 1 hour real quick. Yeah, 1 hour rejecting a little. I wonder if it's gonna get down to the zone though. Let's look at the 4 hour. Like I said, we got these gaps ahead, man. We going away from the 200 EMA, man. I feel like we can reach up here. Not saying we will, but I feel like we can reach up here. This wick on the 1 hour look okay. If it gets to my zone, I expect it to start wicking back up. This is wicking around this area too. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 wicks. So yeah, that shit can definitely go either way, but um, it's gonna be very disciplined today, man. It's 9:04 right now. We got news at 9:45 as well. Uh, if 10 o'clock comes and we not into a trade, it's a no trade day. So I don't know if I'm gonna post a video still or I don't know. I may post a video just because. I don't know. This could probably help somebody, so I may post a video. But it look like we gonna be maybe taking a trade today. So just maybe though. I don't know for real. That depends on if this zone holds. This is just a 5 minute setup, and this is strong off the 1 hour supply. When we at a 4 hour supply too. Yeah, look, we was at a 4 hour supply as well. Maybe I should have took it. I ain't tripping though. I'm not tripping at all actually. So whatever happens, happens. This supply zone definitely had 4 hour and 1 hour confluence though. What about 15? Yeah, it had 15 hour. I mean 15-minute confluence, but I'm not trading no old price action. Man. I don't give a fuck what's going on. So I'm looking to take this 5 minute setup though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But other than that, sales do look okay. Um, Let me see one more time. I don't know. We haven't broken up structure for me to even say sales look good to me at least. To me at least. But we know the higher time frames are king though, so gotta take that with a grain of salt. But let's just see if our zone holds. And damn, that's a big push. That's not even news right there. The volatility is in the market, so it's very volatile right now. That's why I like indexes. They move kind of fast, move kind of strong. Forex pills tend to move like slow. So let's see. Since we already right here, let's see if this on hold, y'all. Let's really see. 25. So we gonna get ready though, just in case. Just in case we already get a break of the candle entry. I'm not getting in aggressive. I want to see if this zone is gonna hold. It is a nice little decent wick look like though, but mm, he said getting aggressive maybe would have been a move, huh? How many pips is this? 37, 37 ticks. I need to know how much I'll be risking per tick on gold. I need to know that. I'm not sure if it's $5 or not. I'm gonna look that up right now actually. 10 cent. Is it 10 cent per tick? I don't know. Y'all might have to look at that later. It's too much information I'm seeing right there. Damn, this would have looked good on the. We just gonna be disciplined though, bro. You know, you never know how shit can go. So we are gonna be disciplined. This would have been nice to get in aggressive though. Just decent. But honestly, I wanna be so fucking patient today, bro. Cause I know break of the candle saves lives. So I'm going break of the candle today. We are trading an evaluation account. Now if it breaks this candle, we will get in. So if it break the candle, okay, see, look at that. See, look at that. Look at that's why I say BOC breaks. Saves lives. We would have been if we would have got in aggressive. We'd be down right now. So it's good to not be in this trade. Let's just see if this zone hold. If this zone don't hold, man, I'm gonna just close my charts and I'm gonna call it one. So let's just see what happens. I kind of think it's gonna hold though. Mm, maybe not though. Who knows? I'm only going for a 1-on-1 anyway, so that's all I need. I just needed to get up here anyway. If it do hold. But yeah, we are ready to buy. We are ready to get in. So, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. May not hold though, y'all. I don't know. Who knows? Oh, shit. I woke up feeling great today. Let's get ready. I should get in right now, huh? I did say break of the candle though, right? That'd be like 36 pips. So what I'm gonna do too. I don't wanna like risk that much, type shit. 36. It ain't no difference. Fuck it. Not a big difference. Just gonna be disciplined, man. If it give me break of the candle entry, that's when we'll get in. If not, we're not getting in. But we are looking for a BOC candle entry. Got a minute left on this candle, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Already the bottom. Uh-oh, is it not gonna hold? Look at the 15 real quick and swiftly. It's a whole new 15-minute candle. I don't think it's gonna hold, y'all. Yeah, it's not finna hold. Like, it may not hold. Boom, it didn't hold. So let's close this. It just hit this. It just wicked it. So that's not holding. Close that. I am gonna sit it out throughout the session. I got 45 minutes left in the session. Only reason I'm gonna sit it out is to see if it calm down and try to get to this liquidity. That's what I'm gonna see right here. Mark this off. So I'm gonna see if we can get a liquidity grab trade in. That's you know the fuck. They funny as hell, but why they don't let me delete this? But they'll let me move it. If they don't let me delete this, hell nah. I ain't tripping though. I ain't tripping. Just move it over there like that, then. Yeah, just keep it like that, then. See, it tapped the internet zone, bro. Like, it tapped my zone. It's invalid though, so I can't. I'm not gonna get into that, bro. I can't get. It is bouncing off that 200 EMA though, so that do look okay to me. Should I get in, or is this FOMO? Let's just see if it hit. We'll simulate it, okay? We'll just simulate it and see if it hit. But I ain't finna get into that though, because let me see the 15 one more time. Mm, 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 mm. Bounce right off that 200 EMA. Yeah, it's finna hit TP for sure. But it's okay, man, that we didn't get into this trade. It is okay, man. We practicing discipline anyway. It is okay because if this would have went against us, we would have been through off. We would have been blue. But I almost want to get in this shit, shorty, bro. Let me be cool. Cause I do see it's going up, but let me be cool. Now, if it didn't wick this zone, bro, we would have been in this trade. Once it touched the bottom of the zone became invalid. The way I trade supply and demand, that's the way I learned it. So I'm sticking to the rules, bro. Sticking to the rules. But the only reason I probably would have gotten into this because it's bouncing straight off that 200 EMA. That's the only reason I was debating, like really getting into this deal off the although it had wicked the bottom of my zone, but just want to practice some discipline, bro. We really normally don't even trade on Wednesdays, so that's okay. And again, I'm taking my time with this. This is a evaluation account. I'm not really up to getting into no fluky, funny flaw trades. So we're gonna be doing this real slow. I don't know if we gonna post this video or not. It's already long in itself. And we didn't trade for real yet. At least we haven't like took a trade yet. At least for real. So I don't know, but it's definitely finna get up to that supply zone. I'm not. Um, That would have been a decent trade to get into. Just decent. Feel me? But we good though, bro. We are good. We are good. Yeah, So yeah, this would have hit TP. So I may just still post this video. That's why I say break of the candle does save lives, because it does. So we didn't even get into a trade because it made our zone invalid. But you see the break of the candle. You see, if you wait on the break of the candle, it can play out in your favor. But so yeah, we still may post this video just because it's some value in this, I feel like. And this is the start of the I don't know what I want to name this series. What should I name this series, y'all? What should I name this series? This is the start of the what I want to call this. Topstep. Um, hmm Do I want to call this Road to 100? No, I don't want to call this Road to 100K. But yeah, so this trade actually ended up. I do see a supply right here, but we not fucking with that shit though. We not finna just force a setup just because we didn't get into one. This would have been the best setup to take today. So I feel like it's gonna keep going now because them gaps that we got. So I feel like it's gonna keep going. This shit not exiting out, throwing me off. Damn, the 1 hour wig. I should have. This look nice, y'all. We are at this 1 hour supply though. Right now, the 1 hour is wigging. The 200 EMA is cutting through. Yeah, this look real nice. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all, bro. On top of we would have been getting a break of the candle on the 4 hour right here, so I expected to at least get up here somewhere in this area. But if the 4 hour is to break this zone, this 4 hour supply zone, it's definitely gonna get up here. So um yeah, this bitch rising though, man. This would have been a nice trade to get in, bro. Would have definitely won. Am I upset that I didn't get into this trade? No, because I'm following a specific set of rules. So um I'm gonna end that video. I'm gonna end this video right here. I don't know what I'm gonna name this series. I'm gonna name it something though. Um yeah, this definitely would have been an okay trade to get into. Would have got to the 1-on-1 in one candle. So that's how it is though, man. Sometimes you come to the market and you don't have to execute. Although you want to, you're not able to execute. So we going through that today. Came to the market, woke up around like 6 a.m. It's 9:23 now. Seen the trade, didn't execute it because we was following a specific set of rules that got to do with how we trade supply and demand. So with that being said, y'all, it's your boy Higher Self. This is a new series. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but by the time y'all see this, y'all will understand what the name will be. Y'all will be able to read it out for yourselves. This is still a part of the road to 100K, the journey. But I want to name it something else. Diversify my channel a little, diversify the content just a little, just a tad. Um, so yeah, should I go over this trade? I didn't take it though, so I don't think I'm gonna go over for real. And this shit not getting out of the way. Um, but yeah though, I'm gonna end that video right here. It's your boy High Self, and I'm out.